Moisturizing Care. GIOVANNI's 2chic Ultra Luxurious Conditioner is powered by our exclusive dual calming complex of cherry blossom and rose petals along with other botanical oils to help detangle and restore shine in curly and wavy hair types. Deep Hydration. Powered by Botanical Extracts and Oils, GIOVANNI 2chic Ultra Luxurious Conditioner silkens tresses with softness and shine while strengthening over processed, brittle hair. Color Safe. GIOVANNI 2chic Ultra Luxurious Conditioner is 100% color safe and leaves each strand deeply hydrated without dulling or stripping color. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Lauryl laureth sulfate-free. GIOVANNI products do not contain harsh chemicals commonly used in regular beauty products, leaving you with strong, beautiful hair. 2chic Ultra Luxurious Conditioner. Lavish in the exquisite delicacy of first spring blossoms on hair that's yearning to be pampered. Hand-picked rose petals, fragile blossoms of the cherry blossom tree, aloe vera, and other botanicals are gathered into an elegant bouquet, enfolding every strand with softness and shine. The beautiful richness of the rose is lifted by subtle notes of the cherry blossom. A wave of sweetness of nectar-like notes of honeysuckle and passion fruit washes over senses, moisturizing underappreciated hair. Top reviews from the United States. Good product but a little pricey. This one besides the pineapple one are my favorite shampoos to use. Works really well if you have oily hair. Do I want to say the pineapple one is number one, but if you can't get the pineapple one then this one works as a good substitute. The only downside I have to say is the fact that the bottle is small, so I would recommend buying the big one once you realize that you like the product.